Welcome back to Rome Tips. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience with the platform, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're diving into Republic.com. This platform offers a unique approach to investing, providing access to private market investments, startup funding, and even video game crowdfunding. Rather than being limited to publicly traded stocks, Republic opens doors to potentially high-growth opportunities that are typically reserved for accredited investors. This democratization of investment allows individuals to participate in ventures they believe in, even with smaller amounts of capital. Republic's interface is designed with accessibility in mind. It's user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through the various investment offerings. You can explore different categories, research companies, and review their pitch decks and financials. The platform also provides educational resources to help you understand the risks and potential rewards associated with private investing. Keep in mind, though, that early-stage investments are inherently risky. There's no guarantee of returns, and you could lose some or all of your investment. One of the most compelling features of Republic is the diversity of investment opportunities available. From cutting-edge tech startups to real estate ventures and creative projects, there's a wide range of options to explore. This variety allows you to diversify your portfolio and potentially tap into emerging trends. It's crucial to do your own due diligence before investing in any opportunity. Don't rely solely on the information presented on the platform. Republic also facilitates community engagement around investments. You can connect with other investors, discuss potential opportunities, and share insights. This fosters a collaborative environment where you can learn from others and potentially make more informed decisions. It's worth noting that investing in private markets often involves longer holding periods compared to public stocks. Liquidity can be limited, meaning it might be challenging to sell your investment quickly if you need to access your capital. Overall, Republic provides a valuable gateway to private market investing, offering a diverse range of opportunities and a user-friendly experience. However, it's essential to approach these investments with caution, conduct thorough research, and understand the inherent risks involved. Remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. Be sure to check out the links in the description below for more information, and as always, thanks for watching.